Standard 10, Subject Match 2, Chapter number 6, Trigonometry. Application of trigonometry. For the purpose of computation, we need to remember certain points. First of all, remember we consider tree, tower or hills as perfect vertical object. So, we represent them with a line segment perpendicular to the ground. Also, we consider the observer's eye to be in the plane of the ground, unless mentioned otherwise. Now, we will get acquainted with some related terms which we often use to solve the problem. The first term we must understand is the line of vision. If the observer at the location A is looking at an object B, then the line AB is the line of vision. The next term is angle of elevation. If A and B are 2 points such that B is at higher level than A and AM is the horizontal line passing through A, then angle MAB is the angle of elevation of B with respect to the line AM. The next term is angle of depression. If A and B are 2 points such that A is at higher level than B and AM is the horizontal line passing through A, then angle MAB is the angle of depression of B with respect to the line AM. In short, we can say that when we look up, we measure angle of elevation, and when we look down, we measure angle of depression. Let's see some application based on the trigonometry. Example first. For a person standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church, the angle of elevation of its top is of measure 45 degree. Find the height of the church. Observe this picture. Let's draw this picture on a plane. Here the diagram. Here given is AC is equal to 80 meter. Angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. AB represent the church. Point C represent the observer. AC is the distance between church and observer. Now we know that tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore tan 45 degree is equal to AB upon AC. And we know that tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore 1 equal to AB upon 80. Then do cross multiplication. We will get AB is equal to 80 into 1, that is 80. So the height of the church is 80 meter. A pilot in an aeroplane observed that Vashi Bridge is on one side of the plane and Worli ceiling is just on the opposite side. The angle of the depression of Vashi Bridge and Worli ceiling are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. If the aeroplane is at a height of 5500 root 3 meter at that time, what is the distance between Vashi Bridge and Worli ceiling? Now observe the diagram carefully and visualize it. PQ is equal to 5500 root 3 meter. V is the position of Vashi bridge and W is the position of Worli ceiling. From the figure, APV is equal to PVQ is equal to 60 degree and BPW is equal to PWQ is equal to 30 degree alternate angle. Now in right angle triangle PQV, tan PQV is equal to tan 60 degree, which is equal to PQ upon VQ. Therefore root 3 is equal to 5500 root 3 upon VQ. Therefore VQ is equal to 5500 root 3 upon root 3. Therefore VQ is equal to 5500 meter. Now in right angle triangle PWQ, tan PWQ is equal to tan 30 degree, which is equal to PQ upon WQ. Therefore 1 upon root 3 is equal to 5500 root 3 upon WQ. Now therefore WQ is equal to 5500 root 3 into root 3. So WQ is equal to 16,500 meter. Now VW is equal to VQ plus QW, which is equal to 5500 plus 16,500, that is 22,000 meter, which is equal to 22 kilometer. So from this we get the distance between the Vashi bridge and Worli ceiling is 22 kilometer. We will see some more problem in the next video. Thank you.